Social media is an important tool in your digital marketing toolbox. If you know how to use it correctly, it can do wonders for your business. When your customers need your services, they likely check Google first, but a lot of the time, they will scan your social media next. Social media is essential to building your brand and reaching your target audience. We focus on the main networks that will help drive your success while providing important information regarding your services to current customers. Having an online voice can help build a community of loyal customers and offer a warm welcome to potential ones. Our social media services are not standalone and are only offered with our optimized SEO and website services. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, give us a call now.